so we made a new one. We had to. Welcome to my channel, guys, where we make projects and we try to use it, see if it works. This is a new one. It's a 3 feet. I had a small one that I tried with one of the pipes that I had was only 2 feet, but I see the need of a longer one, especially when you're trying to learn new tricks. You don't want to keep falling, take the motivation away. But yeah, this guy right here is pretty beautiful, pretty neat. Not the best, not the perfect, but I had some mistakes here, as you see. But it's all good though. Looks stable, very good. Yep. And check out this.